This video, I'm going to show you how you can update Billiards City game app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So by updating Billiards game app, you'll be able to fix any issues or errors that you are encountering with this game app. You'll also be able to get the latest features and updates that were added to this app. To do this, first we need to access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store. I'll tap on it to open and then search for the game by its name. So I'll just tap on the search icon here and search for the game by name like this. And we have here Billiards City. And as you can see, we have an update available. So here I'll go to update, and Booking Billiards City game app will begin to update because we have an update. Now, once it is updated, it will be installed on your smartphone. And once it is installed, now you can begin to play right from here. So that's how you can update your Billiards City game app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.